So that's the maximum that God gave to us. If we reach more than 80, it's a gift of God. Yeah? So we are happy if we reach more than 80, or we reach 80 years of age. So we just realize, or we just think that God give us the maximum length of our life. And somebody tell us that one factor that the people reach that age is because of the environment. So what do you think the secret of having a long life exceeding more than 80? Is it only the food or the lifestyle?
Yes.
Lifestyle, number one.
The principles of health and loss.
Principle of health and loss. Based on Genesis 1:29, the verse that we read lately, God said, "Behold, I have given you every herb bearing seed, which is upon the face of all the earth, and every tree, and the which is the fruit of the yielding seed, to you it shall be for meat." If you remember the time before the people, before the flood, huh? See how long they live. You will see how many years they live on earth. Ito saling how much? 900 years. And after the flood, when they start eating meat, who is the longest life after the flood? Noah. How much? After that Noah, after the generation of Noah, Shem, Ham, and Japheth family, who was the longest life after that generation? Based on your knowledge, no, I am not asking the perfect answer. Based on your knowledge, who was the longest life on earth after that generation of Noah, Shem, Ham, and Japheth family? After that, the next generation. Well, let's say on the New Testament characters, who's the longest life in the New Testament life? Do you remember anyone that having reaching more than 100 or? On the 12 disciples of Jesus, who's the longest life?
John the Revelator.
John the Revelator. How much?
David.
See, my friend, after the flood, the age of the people are decreasing. So the food that they eat, because of the traditional, they are not following the original food that God gave them to eat. So the age of the people also decrease. And based on your knowledge, what's the height of the original people before the flood?
14 feet.
14 feet. 14 feet. Some scientists they found some remains, no, or bones of the old people, like a giant. So there's a possibility that on that time, before the flood, there's some giant people living on the time. No? So there is a possibility that on that time, before the flood, the people are giants.